everyone. This is Cloud.
Hi everyone, this is Victor.
This is our first episode of RocketRoom YouTube channel. It's nice to meet you, everyone.
Nice to meet you, everybody.
So this YouTube channel is for the general public, for the recent and latest rocket news around in the USA and around the world. And my goal of this channel is our goal of this channel is introduce the space technology to general public.
I think we are promoting space technology and to the public audience.
Yes. So Victor, can you introduce yourself for our first episode?
Yes, I'm Victor. Thanks for Cloud. Well, we talked to each other for a while now. So I was a colleague of him, like in San Jose State University, working on we worked on aerospace projects, and then I came to Houston and started working for the Johnson Space Center. The first off is doing the International Space Station and trying all the different helping out and supporting the management of cargo shipments to the space station. And then after that, I joined the prototyping lab for the Orion, which is a space vehicle for the Artemis program. So I have been in that position for around 10 years now. And so between Cloud and myself, we would like to promote the exciting news and also some of the technology involved in the space arena.
That just sounds great. Thank you. Hi, my name is Claudio. I'm the classmate. I was the classmate in South State with Victor, and I moved to Los Angeles. And I work for aerospace company for around aerospace industry around 10 years. I did related like satellite mechanical part, aircraft engine nacelle part, and brake system. Now I currently work as a software engineer, mostly working for machine AI system with electronic hardware. So I have been software engineer around 7 years so far. So Victor, can you mentioned you currently work for the prototype of Artemis capsule, right? Artemis.
It's the Orion vehicle,
Orion, yes.
service module, and the crew module.
Okay. Can you introduce your latest task, which can be available to public?
I think we saw the launch of Artemis 1 last year in November, and that was the first test of the Boeing Space Launch System and our Orion spacecraft. And it went through the whole flight from launch to lunar injection and to come back from the back of the moon and do the separation and then coming back to the Earth. So it was pretty successful. There's no bad news about it. So the next launch, which is Artemis 2, will be using the displays and testing out the displays on the vehicle. So we're very much anticipating for that launch.
So when I know you shared it, the astronaut went to the Florida to familiar with the Orion. So when do you expect they launch with the astronaut?
It's not completely decided yet.
Okay.
I think I'll just leave it up to NASA to decide. It would be in a year and a half.
A year and a half. So maybe end of next year then?
Yeah, I think more likely it would be 2025 early.
2025.
That's my opinion only.
Okay.
NASA has to decide.
Okay. That's great. Thank you for the sharing your latest your work and the news. So for me, one of my project I working on different project at the same time. One of our project is called neuromorphic honest cognitive radio. And that project, I work as a software engineer. I do like data collection and data cleaning. And the project goal is autonomically identifying the modulation types and the parameter of incoming signal, and probably decoding the signal too. So they use the machine learning method, neural network, to recognize the signal from space. So our client is NASA. So that's my current the task related to the aerospace. So Victor, this is our brief introduction. What we'll talk for our next episode?
I think we talked about it a little bit. I think the kind of like the latest would be the Starship test. They have built a new water deluge system, so it would be exciting to talk about that.
Oh, that's great. You live closer to the Star City, right? Boca Chica.
Yeah, it's a 5.5 hour drive.
Oh, still?
Yeah, because it's like 50 miles from Brownsville. So we go by from Houston to Brownsville will be 5 hours, and then another half an hour for 50 miles to the Boca Chica, where they build all the Starship and boosters. Yeah, so it's pretty close. It's not that close, but it's still pretty close.
Yeah, 5 hours in the USA is not bad. From here, Las Vegas is around 3 hours, and from me, and for the Utah is around 6 hours. So 6 hours from here also San Jose. So that's 8 hours.
6 hours from your
yeah, Los Angeles to the San Jose. I think 6 to 8 hours. I think depending on speed.
That's not too bad. It's far, but it's not too. It's not like 10 hours.
Yeah. This is our first episode. We'll put the show note and we will share the newsletter download link in our YouTube channel. We will see you in next month with the latest news in the rocket industry.
Thank you.
Bye everyone.